Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows errors for both your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So I'm going to share two different methods and solutions. So you just need to follow the method or solution that will best work for you. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is you just need to simply restart your Windows because once you restart your Windows, that will refresh all the system processes and programs on your Windows. Simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And for the next method is we also need to make sure that our Windows is up to date because once our Windows is updated, we rarely face an issue with our Windows. So click on the start button and go to settings. Click on the Windows Update in the list of options on the left pane and simply click this button right here to make sure that your Windows is updated. And once you're updated, then good. For the next method is we can also check the disk space, especially if we're trying to install some applications on your Windows. Make a right click at the start button and then select File Explorer in the list of options. Now here in the File Explorer window, you need to make sure that your Windows C drive has enough space. Now in case if it has or if it doesn't have enough space, then let me share to you this method. Type disk cleanup in the Windows search bar, click on it under the best match, click on OK. Now here in this window, you need to check these boxes one by one and it will be stated right here for the disk space, the amount of disk space that you can gain. Now it could be greater in your case because I have just cleaned my Windows earlier. So you have to click on OK and click on delete files and wait for the process to be done. Now for the next method is we can also restart the File Explorer, especially for errors like File Explorer crashing. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task mgr. Click on Task Manager under the best match, maximize this. Here in the search bar, type Explorer. You'll find Windows Explorer. Simply make a right click and then select Restart. Now after that, close the Task Manager window and wait for all the icons on your taskbar to be back. This could also be very helpful, especially for taskbar not working. This is one of the great fix. So let's just wait for the icons in the taskbar to be back. Now for the next method is we can also run the system file checker scan to check and fix for any system corrupted files. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this block window, you need to type sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan that will fix for all system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. So while the process is going on, is you should not close the window. You can just minimize it, and once the process is successful or completed, close out of here and just restart your Windows afterwards. Then we can also use the troubleshooting tools of our Windows. So click on the Start button and go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select System. Scroll down and you'll find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. In here, you'll find this troubleshooting tools like if you're having an error with your audio, network and internet, Windows Update, then you can simply click on the Run button that corresponds for the error that you are facing. And what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that is that it will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. Then for the next method is you can also perform a clean boot. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type system config. Click on system configuration under the best match. Now you have to click on the services tab. Check this box, hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all. Now click on the startup tab. Click on open task manager. Now change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are they startup programs enabled on your Windows. And what you can do is you need to disable the unnecessary or unimportant startup program. Simply make a right click and then select disable. Once done, close this and then click on apply, click on OK, and click on the restart button. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.